We are here at the sewing shop. Hey guys, I'm gonna go through what I bought real quick inside, if you couldn't see the picture. So we have some quilting pins in a tin because someone, I won't mention his name, we have some needles, guys, because I bought a lot of like stretch knit fabric this year. If you've seen my other fabric video, and my jersey needles just ain't cutting it on those. So I was like, okay, let me go get some ballpoint needles, pick up some universal needles, and I also picked up some quilting needles because I do want to make quilts for the kids, and they've asked for sleeping bags. Like, they've outgrown the sleeping bags that I made for them several years ago. Obviously, it's been like 3-4 years, and so it's time for me to upgrade their sleeping bags. And then because I have little fingers in the house, I picked up some extra bobbins for my brother, and that's it. So just a quick little toot around